recording. Tell who broke it.
Stupid brother.
Come on, Annabelle.
What's your stupid brother's name?
Jacob. Look at it, it's going way down here.
From there all the way down here. Look at that waterfall. That's a cool waterfall, isn't it? It's Jacob's fault. He has to go turn the water off. You can now watch him in just a moment when he comes down.
He's coming back. And it's not turned off. The man, he's switched it off.
What are you doing?
Still off.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm asking where am I finding that thing along.
Are you a stupid brother who broke it?
Sure.
You didn't do it? What happened? It's not off.
No, it's not off.
You're supposed to turn it off, dude.
I couldn't find it, okay? You know where it's at?
Hurry up and
Shut up.
the water keeps on running.
The water keeps on running.
Right to the
Goodbye.
water bill.